In this video, I'll show you how to post landscape videos on TikTok. So recently, TikTok is encouraging some creators on the platform to post landscape mode for more views. So if your videos are stuck at 200 views, then watch this video to learn how to post landscape videos on TikTok and get more views. So before you start, you want to first record a video of yourself in landscape mode. So you can go ahead and use the camera app. Here, you want to go ahead and turn to video mode and make sure you're recording your video in landscape mode. So in a horizontal mode. Now here, I already have a video which I've recorded in the horizontal mode, which is this. And I'll be posting this video on TikTok in the landscape mode. Now the next step is to go to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, you want to first go ahead and open the app. Now here, you want to go ahead and post a video. Go ahead and upload the video which you've just filmed in landscape mode. So as you can see, there's space at the top and the bottom. Press next. Now using the TikTok video editor, tap on it. Now on this page, you want to go ahead and tap on your video in the timeline. Then from the bottom tool, you want to go ahead and use your rotate tool and rotate the video 360 so that TikTok knows you're actually posting a landscape video and you want the viewers to watch this in the landscape mode. Now the aim over here is not to post anything in this black area at the top and the bottom. If you want to add your captions, unfortunately, I would suggest not to do it in TikTok, but do it in CapCut before this step. Now once you've done that, go ahead and tap on next. And now go ahead and fill in your captions and configure all these settings at the bottom, then tap on post. Now this video will be posted to your TikTok account. If you go to your profile, you see the video which you've posted, which is right here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you'll see the full screen option. So here I'll go ahead and tap on full screen and this will now show me the video in landscape mode. So as you can see, it's currently showing me in landscape mode. For some of you who did not see this full screen option after posting a landscape video, you'll either need to close the app completely and reopen it, or just wait for a while until TikTok analyzes your video. And now once that's done, it's just a waiting game and you just need to wait until TikTok boosts your video views on the app. And there you go, that is how to post landscape videos on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.